The spotlight on the elite teams, the Convent of Mercy Academy Alpha is hoping their small numbers will produce big performances at the Issa Grace Kennedy Boys and Girls Athletics Championships next month. As we continue our build-up to the champs, this evening we focus on the South Camp Road-based team.
The girls from the Convent of Mercy Alpha have always made a mark at the Issa Boys and Girls Championships despite having a small unit. They tallied 89 points to finish 6th at the recent Corporate Area Development Meet, but heading into champs this year, Coach Kirk King says they have had to overcome some hurdles.
We have had a drawback in terms of the numbers because we had to cut our squad based on the fact that the availability of the girls to come out during the period that they weren't at school. So we had to cut the squad last year. We only entered 13 girls and we finished in the top 15 with 13 girls. This year we are getting out a little bit more numbers. I think we are around at about 20 girls going into champs. Hopefully by the end of the period we'll get all of them qualified. But we have a few girls going out that I think can make the medal podium, and we are hopeful for the best.
Akelia Stevenson is their captain. The high jump, long jump combination saw her with a 5th and 7th place finish at champs last year. But that was in Class 3. This year, she'll be joining her more senior counterparts in Class 2.
Really and truly, it's not really best to sit down and say, oh, they're in second year 2 and I'm in first year 2. All you have to do is know that you do your best and that you put in the work as much as how they put in the work. If you know that you put in the work, I'll know that I'll be able to do as best and probably even better than them.
And by virtue of being captain, Stevenson accepts the responsibility of motivating her teammates.
It's good for me to inspire my teammates, and I try my best to. Every track meet that I go to, I try my best, and I ensure that they do their best as well. Sometimes they may not do their best, but we all know that it's either they're suffering from injuries or it's just not their day, but we just know that they did their best.
Class 3 sprinter Amoy Kentish took on a heavy workload last year, running the 80-meter hurdles, the 200 meters, and the sprint relays at champs. The results weren't as she would have liked, as she pulled up in the 200 and finished 7th in the 80-meter hurdles.
I feel that I have the chance of getting a medal this year because of my training, and I've been putting a lot of work. Even though I'm still feeling pain, I'm working through it and getting worked on and all of that. So this year I'm coming better than ever, and I think I'm going to do better.
Alpha Academy finished 15th at champs last year after tallying 19.5 points. The Issa Boys and Girls Championships runs from April 5 to 9 at the National Stadium. Live and exclusive coverage will be on TVJ, TVJ Sports Network and One Spot Media, with continuous radio coverage on Hits 92 FM.